Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can make money online by watching YouTube videos and a couple of other ways. Alright, so you guys are going to want to see this. So get ready, sit back, stick around, and I'm going to get you started here right now. Welcome back to the video, guys. And as I said, I'm going to show you here 3 ways that you can make money on this one site by watching YouTube videos, and you can also a couple of other ways that you can make money on this site as well. It's just one website. I just signed up for this today, and it's pretty looks really good and pretty cool, and I'm about to show you that here now. So first of all, if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before to my videos and my channel and you have not yet subscribed, reach down there below while we're talking about it here and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Okay, alrighty guys, well, I'm anxious to show this to you. I just signed up to this today and wanted to share this with you guys. And what we're going to do here is come over to our favorite Opera browser, and we'll click on that and bring up this site right here. This is the address is up here in the address bar. You see it. It's mybitcointube.com. See that? mybitcointube.com. At this website, you can get more views on your YouTube videos and get paid up to $21 per video that you watch. So as you can see right off the bat here, it's not going to take long that you can make some money on this particular site. So let's look a little bit about it here. You can create a free account here on this site. It's just a matter of clicking on register right here at the top, and you can log in and so on and so forth here. And get your videos boosted. This is one thing you want. If you have a YouTube channel and you want more views on your videos, which is always a positive thing, right? So you can get more views to your videos as well on this site too. You can upload your YouTube videos. And they do share the revenue. All members have equal opportunity to benefit from an attractive revenue sharing plan on a long-term basis. There's truly no risk to our revenue share plan because the quality of advertising services you are paying for far outweigh the price. So they do have a free membership here that you can work from, or you can also join on their premium membership, which is $39.90 per month, and I'll show that to you here in just a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm going to come down. It says paid videos will be delivered to your account daily. All you have to do is watch the paid videos for just 1 minute, 60 seconds, to get your instant bitcoins and free lottery tickets, which by the way, they do have a weekly lottery drawing on this site for big prizes as well. And as you can see here, this site is got currently actually it's gone up about 4 users since I signed up here, and it's currently almost 100,000 users. Guys, this site is in its infancy. And I'll show that to you now. I'll come over here to my Google Chrome browser. You see I have the site loaded up here, and if I bring out my SimilarWeb program here, you see it shows my Bitcoin Tube, and you can see that they have monthly visits of about 310,000 people at this point right here, and there has been up to 2.26 million back in November of last year, and then it's kind of come down, but my guess is it will go back up because this site was just started in August of last year, so it's still in its infancy, guys. And you can see where most of the traffic comes from: the Ukraine, Russian Federation, United States, India, and Venezuela as the top 5 countries that they get the traffic from on this site. And then some of the traffic sources are there too. But so you can see that this site gets quite a lot of visitors to it every day. And there's about, at this point, 16,000 some videos available to watch that you can be paid for, and they have paid out so far almost $500,000 in bitcoins to paid users. Now this is a Bitcoin platform. You will need a paid or not a paid, but a Bitcoin wallet to be able to transfer your money back and forth from your Bitcoin wallet to the site, and or get paid from the site when you request payment. And there is a minimum of $10 is all you have to have in your account before you can request a payout. Alright, and I'll show you some of the payments here in just a little bit. Now, 3 ways that you can earn with this site right here: the Earners Program, by watching videos and so on and so forth, and you only have to watch it for, you can earn up to I believe that says $210 per video, but I think that's wrong. It's $21. That's a typo there, I think. And so it's $21, up to $21 per video for just watching it for 60 seconds. And then they do have ad packs here. Like I said, you can purchase ad packs, which I'll show you. They're $5 per ad pack, and they mature at 120% for free members and 135% for the paid members. So that's another way that you can make money there too. And of course, for every video you watch, you get a free lottery ticket to win big prizes in their weekly drawing. And you can receive free lottery tickets for each paid video, and even that your referrals watch. So there's 3 ways you can earn by watching videos, and you can also advertise your business. So if you have you can put your YouTube videos up here. So if you have any YouTube videos that promote your affiliate business or whatever, you can put those videos up here on this site and have more views to your videos and get some good targeted traffic to your business that way as well. And then they also have their referral program here, which is an affiliate program, and you can refer other users to the site and get paid a certain amount of money from them, 10% up to 20% commissions when they upgrade into the premium version here. And so that's 3 ways right there on this one website that you can make money here with this site. Now, if we come over to the frequently asked questions here, to sort of show you some of what I was talking about. It talks about My Bitcoin Tube is an advertising video platform that pays you to interact with video advertisers on the site. And then you can cash out. Of course you can. No deposits are required in order for you to start earning from My Bitcoin Tube. So you see, even free users can earn money on this site. Easy enough. And then you can claim a faucet video. That's a typo area. That's a faucet video. That means a bonus video every once in an hour, and they pay more money than the regular videos do. You just need a minimum cash out, like I told you, is $10 in Bitcoin. So you'll need to have a Bitcoin wallet, okay? And my recommended Bitcoin wallet is uphold.com. If you go to that website, Uphold, it's a very simple website to use. It's easy to transfer Bitcoins from into your bank account. Directly from your bank account, you can transform Bitcoin into US dollars or the cash currency of your choice, and set up your bank account with it, and the money will be transferred straight into your bank account at your choice on uphold.com. There's many Bitcoin wallets out there, but that's the one I use, uphold.com. And also you can earn by referring other members, which I told you, and so on and so forth about that. And then down here again, what is the minimum cash out? It's just simply, like I told you, it's $10 is all you need in your account to cash out. Now, if I come over here to payments and click on payments right here, you can see some of the other people right here that have already had payouts. And you know, $18 and $25. Now you'll notice that right here it says network fee. That's a $2 network fee. So whenever you make a transfer or a request for payout, and they send the money to your Bitcoin wallet address, which is what you see all of these here on the right hand side. These are Bitcoin wallet addresses. It'll be $2 deducted from the amount. So for example, this $18 here minus $2 would be, of course, $16 that would actually be transferred to this person's Bitcoin address here. So make sure you get you a Bitcoin wallet address, and you can come over and begin to use this site right away. Now you can see some of the other people down here that have had withdrawals. There's actually down here's a couple people right here. Somebody withdrawed $100 right there, so minus the $2 for the network fee, that's $98. Probably would be better just to wait till you build it up to like $50 or $100 or even more, whatever you want, before you withdraw, so that $2 is not going to amount very much to your difference in what you receive to your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, and as you look down through, here's a $10 minimum, somebody cashed out, and then there's another $100 one here, and it goes on. There's several pages of this. People that have withdrawn money to their Bitcoin wallets. Alright, so if we log in, I'll log in here with my account. You'll have to sign up. You can click on register and sign up and pick a username and then a password for the account. It's recommended to have a good password. And then you will get an email verification from this company, and you need to verify your account through that email, so be on the lookout for that. Alrighty, and then your log in, you put your username and your password in, and here they got one of these damn captchas again. I tell you guys, I hate this little thing, but it's simple. I just get tired of seeing it on every website I seem to log into, you know. But anyways, then we click on that and then just click log in. And it comes up and you see you got to watch an ad here first for about 7 seconds or 8 seconds. And you can have an opportunity to put your ad on this login page too, such as you can see here, this is a landing page. So if you have a landing page in your affiliate business or whatever, you can post it on a login ad, what's called a login advertisement like this, and you have more opportunity to get sign-ups into your business and leads for your business. Okay, now after watching about 7 or 8 seconds of this, see it brings this button up here, go to your dashboard. And if I click on that, it brings us over into the dashboard or the back office that you'll get this same thing. You see I haven't not much action on mine yet because I just signed up a little while ago and wanted to show this to you guys. And I do have 216 banner credits because I watched one of those faucet ads, which is just a bonus video. Okay, a faucet video. That's what they call it. It means bonus video. And you get banner credits, so I could actually advertise my banners like you see right here, and some of these other banners down in here that you see, and over here on this side I could advertise my business on there with those credits just right off the bat like that. And you see over here on the left some of the things you can click on. Here's what I was telling you about. They do have a premium membership here. If I click on that, it brings us over here. It tells us a little bit about the premium membership and what all you get for it and so on and so forth. And as you can see right down here, this is the only package they have. It's 30 days premium membership for $39.90. That's, guys, that's $1.33 per day on this, and it will give you the opportunity to make quite a bit more money on this site, as well as advertise your business and get more views on your YouTube videos, which we all know is important, right? And so you can see this could rack up. This site's pretty cool, and you could rack up some money fairly quickly on this site. Now, how much are the ad packs? So if we come down here to here it is, purchase ad credits. As you can see right here, as you purchase ad packs and receive credits for your advertisements and ad pack shares, which you make money back also on the ad pack shares as well, up to 120% for free and 135% for the premium monthly membership, right? And ad packs are only $5, guys. It's just $5. For that $5 on ad pack, you'll get 500 YouTube views on any of your YouTube videos that you upload to this site. It can be any video that you want. And then you'll also get 100 banner clicks per ad pack as well. And then your ad packs expire for free. Like I said, the standard members 120% and 135%. Which you get paid your money back and make a little extra money on that ad pack that you get back once it matures. Alrighty, so guys, that pretty much is what I wanted to show you. Come on over and check this site out. I'll have the link down there at the top of my description for this, and come over and check this site out and see if it can benefit or help your business or your videos get more views and so on and so forth. Alrighty guys, well that's what I had for you today. If you want to get started in a business where you can have a business of your own and make up to $4,000 possibly per day, then you want to click the link down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over, get signed up on my mailing list, and see the business at the back of my funnel, and get a chance to meet Dave Sharp, who is the owner and CEO of Legendary Marketer Business Platform, where you can, for the price of a cup of Starbucks, you can get your own business set up in about 15 days and have an opportunity to make up to about $4,000, anywhere from $300 to $4,000 in just one day. Possibility with that. Okay, alrighty guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell, and give me a comment down there if you have any comments about this video, any questions or anything like that about this site or anything. I'll be glad to help you with that. And with that, I think I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll see you again here in the next couple days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye bye now.